Congratulations, you finally started that business that you've been thinking about and praying about for years, but now what? Well, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to do in order for your business to grow and succeed, so be sure to stay tuned right here. Hey, what's up guys? It's Stephen Daniel, known as Dr. Airbnb, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about why you need a business bank account and how to open your very first business bank account. Let's get straight into it. I first want to start here with a shocking statistic. A new study has revealed that 27% of small business owners use the same checking account for their personal and business finances. And that's definitely a no-go for me, and definitely is for the IRS. So let's avoid that as much as possible. Let's be honest, managing your personal finances can be a daunting task. And now that you have a business, adding that on top of your personal finances can be stressful. But that's why you need a business bank account. And I'm going to show you the exact benefits, 3 benefits of why having a business bank account can relieve that stress from you. Let's get into it. Number 1, financial protection for yourself and for your business. Number 2, it's going to make things easier for you by having everything organized and all in one place. And number 3, you're going to make a tax time a lot easier, and your tax professional will thank me later. And also, just a bonus, number 4, it's going to be a lot professional by having a business bank account where you can take customers' debit and credit payments all online. So let's get into it of how to open a business bank account. I'm going to give you the required documents that you're going to need in order to open your very first account right here. First off, I want you to start by asking yourself, what are your business needs and your goals? Do you need a business loan, a credit card, or a car under your business? What exactly do you need from the business bank account in order to reach your goals for your business? So take out a sheet of paper and write 3 goals of what you need and what expectations you have from your business bank account. Second, you want to start by researching your small community banks and credit unions in your own community, because they thrive and live off of small businesses within your community. They have money and funding for your business and small businesses like yours. So all you have to do is Google Atlanta, Georgia Community Bank or credit union, or Los Angeles, wherever you are. Just Google your community bank. See, a lot of people don't know that I used to work at the bank, and one thing I want to tell you about the small banks is that they have more underwriting decisions to make in-house rather than a huge corporation making a decision for them. Third, you want to call the banks in your area and ask them what are the required documents for you to bring and what is required in order to open a business bank account. Again, this is going to be different for every single bank because they do get to make their own rules and regulations, and so they may require more than your other banks or anybody else that you know of. So you want to call ahead of time and ask them, and this will save a lot of time so you don't have to go back and forth the day that you do go open your business bank account in person. Alrighty, so first, before you head to the bank, you want to make sure that you gather all of your documents, because again, you don't want to waste time and money by going back and forth to the bank. So here's your checklist of the items that you may be asked for from your personal banker in order to open your business bank account. Number 1, your articles of organization. This is pretty much your LLC birth certificate, okay? Once you open your LLC and registered with your state, they're going to give you a piece of paper that's called your articles of organization. Again, you want to keep these documents in one safe area so that you'll have at all times. You're definitely going to need this in order to open your business bank account, so be prepared. Number two, you're going to need your operating agreement. Now, this is something that you don't want to mess up on. If you don't know how to do it yourself, then hire somebody because it's very important and it has some legal information that is going to make you or break your business. And if you just copy and paste from the internet, you can mess up and be in financial hardships. Number three, you want to make sure that you have your business EIN number, which comes from the irs.gov official website for free. So you want to make sure that you have that on hand. And also, I suggest bringing your DMV number, which is your Dun and Bradstreet number. Having both of these numbers prepared and ahead of time will save you a lot of time. Number four, you want to make sure that you bring your social security number of the individual opening the business bank account. They may also ask for your physical card to see your social security number. So also having that on hand will help you save time. Number five, you want to bring 2 forms of personal identification of the person who is opening the account. Okay, they're normally going to ask you to have a photo ID instead of just a piece of paper that has your name, like a birth certificate. When I opened my business bank account, they wanted a photo ID identification. Okay, so that was a passport, a driver's license, a identification card, anything like that with your photo. Number 6. You're going to want to have your business contact information, your email, your domain with your website, all your phone number, everything all in one place. So having that ahead of time will save you. Number 7, you want to make sure that you bring your NAICS sector code, your subsector, and or national industry. This is information that is going to be asked from you to already know of. So not having to decide in front of the banker will save a lot of time and a lot of stress. So having this prepared ahead of time will help you, and I highly suggest it. And number 8, I also just suggest bringing your business classification and annual revenue. They may ask for that, and so I want you to be prepared. Number 9, information about your any beneficial owners, authorized signers, or controlling persons that you are wanting to add to the account. They're going to want their information, and they also may require that that person be present in person or at least sign documents electronically or in person again. So you want to make sure that you're prepared and know ahead of time of who you're trying to add to the account. And that's it. Once you have all of those documents and you've brought those to the bank and you've opened your business bank account, be patient. It can take quite time because the banker has to do their homework. They have to fact check, they have to double check everything that you've given them. So just be patient. It may take up to an hour or 2 to open a business bank account. So that's it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what other topics you would like for me to cover, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.